Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, you will find out how you can use Android call screening on Pixel phones. If you want to use the call screening feature for secure calls on your Pixel phones, then here is how you can set it up. So watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Pixel phone and navigate to the phone app. What you'll need to do is go over to the top right corner and click on the three dots option from the menu that pops up. Go ahead and click on the settings option. In settings, click on the call screen option above call notes and below direct my call option. Here you can, the option to automatically screen calls. So go ahead and toggle it on now. You can choose whether you want screening for just unknown number, suspicious calls, or just basic protection, and decline only known spam. Choose the option that you want and fits your need. And now you've successfully turned on call screening on your Pixel phone. Now, every time you get a call from an unknown number, then you can click on the screen option above the answer button to start call screening. You can see the AI talking to the caller, and then you can decide whether you want to answer the phone or hang up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.